wanted to give you ladies some more options. If you're a mother who has to go back to work right away and you're not always able there to nurse your baby, this is still a way that you can have really close contact with your child and by doing the best thing for him. I have a couple different pumps here that I'm going to show you guys today. This one here is a hand pump. It's kind of a simple hand pump. These are actually quite reasonable. But if you're a mother that's going to be on the go and probably gone 40 hours a week, I would suggest getting an electric model, which is right here. Which basically you can either plug this in the wall or to have batteries. You plug it in here, and then you have two of the pumps that you set up on the bottle. And just kind of plug in like so. I'll show you that to you again for both of them. Like this. And then you're kind of ready to go. Find a quiet cubicle, or be open and discuss these things with your boss before you even go back to the job, so they can designate a place that's maybe closed door or an empty office. If not, you can just do it quietly in the bathroom or in an empty cubicle. Now, it's very important that you do, when you do breast pump, is make sure that you get yourself one of these to keep the breast milk stored properly and safe. Get one of these things that you can put in the freezer to keep it nice and cold so there's no bad bacteria growing, and then they just kind of fit right in there. And you can even label it and put it in the fridge and have that ready to go. So those are some different solutions you can use for expressing milk and feeding your baby, even when someone else has to be watching them. I just wanted to kind of do a wrap up with you guys today and discuss a few more situations that you may encounter. Number one, if you're going to a restaurant, always try to find a back out of the way booth. Make sure that you position yourself with your back towards people, and then with your inside arm, it's usually very easy and discreet to breastfeed. That would be my tip for that. Also, if you're going to the mall or shopping, especially when you're shopping like in the infant section or in a lot of places like malls, they have actually designated areas that you want to keep your eyes peeled and ask about for nursing mothers. So it's usually you can find it by the bathroom, and it's kind of out of the way, and there's usually couches or a rocking chair and a changing station in there as well. Just to kind of recap, all these techniques should help you become more comfortable with breastfeeding, but really practice makes perfect, and when you kind of give up the weirdness about it, everyone else does too. So be confident. Make sure that you make it easy and stress-free and hassle-free to breastfeed, and you and your child will be happy and healthy.